Scout Automobile, welcome to back. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine a world where luxury is not just seen but felt, where every curve of a machine tells a story, and where the road becomes a stage for elegance and power to exist together. Now imagine that vision taking shape in front of you, a presence so refined, so commanding, that it does not ask for attention, it owns it. Today we step into the future of luxury and performance with the 2026 Cadillac Monarch. A name that feels royal, a machine that defines what modern American excellence truly looks like. Let's begin from the back of the car. Because the rear of the Cadillac Monarch speaks in a language of quiet authority. At the rear, the 2026 Cadillac Monarch presents a wide and planted stance, sitting low to the ground with a posture that reflects confidence and control. The full-width LED taillight signature stretches across the rear, glowing with a sharp yet elegant red light that feels both futuristic and timeless. At night it transforms into a visual masterpiece, creating a signature look that is impossible to ignore. The rear design is smooth and sculpted, with flowing lines that guide the air naturally, enhancing aerodynamic efficiency without disturbing the luxury aesthetic. There is no unnecessary aggression here, only refined strength. The rear bumper integrates a performance-oriented exhaust system, delivering a deep and controlled sound that reflects power without losing sophistication. A subtle rear diffuser works beneath the surface, ensuring stability at higher speeds while maintaining the car's composed nature. From the back, the Monarch feels calm, dominant and effortlessly powerful, like a true symbol of modern luxury. Now moving to the front of the car, as you step around, the front of the 2026 Cadillac Monarch reveals its true personality. A bold and expansive grille dominates the front fascia, featuring Cadillac's signature design language with a modern twist. The detailing is precise, with chrome or dark finishes adding depth and character. The headlights are ultra-slim LED units, sharp and intelligent, giving the car a futuristic expression. When illuminated, they create a striking visual identity, making the Monarch instantly recognizable. The hood is long and sculpted, with clean lines that emphasize power and elegance at the same time. The front bumper integrates advanced airflow channels, ensuring optimal performance while maintaining a clean and premium look. From the front, the Monarch feels powerful, luxurious, and perfectly balanced. Now moving to the front left side. From this angle, the proportions of the car truly come alive. The front left fender is slightly flared, giving the Monarch a muscular yet refined stance. The alloy wheels are large, intricately designed, and perfectly aligned with the luxury identity of the car. The side profile flows smoothly from front to rear, creating a continuous line that reflects motion even when the car is still. The side mirror is sleek and aerodynamic, designed to reduce wind resistance while maintaining clarity. From the front left, the Monarch feels like a vehicle designed for long journeys, where comfort and performance coexist seamlessly. Now moving to the front right side. The front right angle highlights the symmetry and precision of the design. Every curve, every surface feels intentional. The braking system is visible behind the wheels, ensuring strong stopping power and safety. The roofline slopes gently toward the rear, giving the car a coupe-like elegance while maintaining interior space. The reflections on the body enhance its sculpted design, creating a dynamic visual experience. From this angle, the Monarch appears stable, confident, and timeless. Now stepping inside the interior and focusing on the dashboard. As the door opens, the outside world fades away, replaced by a cabin that feels like a luxury lounge. The seats are wide, soft, and supportive, crafted with premium materials that provide comfort for both short drives and long journeys. The interior is designed with precision, using high-quality materials such as soft touch surfaces, brushed metal accents, and optional wood trims. Ambient lighting flows subtly through the cabin, creating a calm and modern atmosphere. The dashboard is a perfect blend of classic elegance and modern technology. A fully digital instrument cluster provides all necessary information in a clear and customizable format. The infotainment system is seamlessly integrated, offering navigation, connectivity, and entertainment without disrupting the design. The steering wheel is designed for comfort and control, with intuitive buttons placed for easy access. The entire layout is driver-focused, ensuring a smooth and effortless experience. Now moving back to the rear again. Looking at the rear once more, the design feels even more complete. The lighting, the curves and the proportions come together to create a refined and timeless presence. Now moving to the back left side. From this angle, the full body profile becomes visible. The long silhouette, low stance, and flowing lines create a perfect balance between luxury and performance. The side skirts enhance aerodynamics while maintaining elegance. Now moving to the back right side, the back right angle reflects the same level of detail and craftsmanship. The design remains consistent, showing a level of engineering that defines modern luxury. Now let's talk about features and driving experience in depth. The 2026 Cadillac Monarch is designed as a flagship luxury performance vehicle. It offers multiple driving modes that allow the driver to adapt the car's behavior based on preference. In comfort mode, the suspension becomes incredibly smooth, absorbing road imperfections and providing a relaxed driving experience. In sport mode, the car becomes more responsive, delivering sharper acceleration and enhanced steering feedback. Adaptive suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, ensuring stability and comfort at all times. This allows the Monarch to perform equally well in city environments and on long highways. Safety features include advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. These systems work seamlessly in the background, ensuring safety without interrupting the driving experience. The infotainment system offers cutting-edge connectivity, voice control, and premium audio quality. The sound system creates an immersive environment, making every journey more enjoyable. Now imagine driving the Cadillac Monarch on an open road. The engine starts with a smooth and refined tone. As you accelerate, the power builds effortlessly, delivering a sense of controlled performance. The steering feels precise, the ride feels stable, and the overall experience feels seamless. At higher speeds, the aerodynamic design keeps the car planted on the road, while the suspension ensures comfort. The cabin remains quiet, allowing you to enjoy the journey without distraction. As you continue driving, the small details begin to stand out. The smooth transitions, the refined controls, the balanced performance, everything works together to create a cohesive driving experience. Now imagine driving at night. The ambient lighting creates a calm and luxurious environment inside the cabin. The headlights illuminate the road with precision, while the taillights create a signature glow behind you. The experience becomes more personal, more emotional. This is where the Monarch truly stands out. It is not just about performance, it is about how the car makes you feel. Now considering everyday usability, the Cadillac Monarch is not just a luxury showcase, it is designed for practical use as well. The trunk offers sufficient storage space, while the interior provides comfort for passengers. Modern engineering ensures efficiency and reliability, making the car suitable for daily use without compromising its luxury identity. As you spend more time with the Monarch, you begin to understand its purpose. It is not designed to compete loudly. It is designed to lead quietly. It represents a new level of luxury, where elegance, performance, and technology come together in perfect harmony. Every detail contributes to a complete experience, from the exterior design to the interior comfort and driving dynamics. And when you step out of the car and look back at it, you realize something important. This is not just a vehicle, this is a statement. Scout Automobile, welcome to back. The 2026 Cadillac Monarch is more than just a car. It is a symbol of modern luxury, a reflection of innovation, and a reminder that true excellence is not about noise. It is about presence, confidence, and timeless design.